The cookie disappearing is, from my perspective, always something that is kind of like a bit sad. You're fingerprinting and other things and you just can't clear it. You can't get rid of it.
Depreciating cookies is coming sooner than we might think.
And that is a better, healthier relationship for the whole ecosystem.
All of the alternative solutions being a lot more privacy impairing. And I also understand why it's being rejected and the issues underneath of it.
I really, 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 really wish that contextual
Chips, which is cookies having independent partitioned state, short for chips, which I really like the name. We should give them credit for that.
Because I think that is sort of the best of all.
Such as flock, which kind of flock?